Welcome to my fish room.
Camera?
I think that pail was John's.
Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't matter. Just so we don't have broken glass and stuff cluttering up our area, killing us. See, by using one of these blades and holding it at an angle, you can't get it in between the pieces of glass. And that way you can get the old silicone out. And then this way, you see, I'm cutting against glass, so I can't do any damage this way. So research in motion isn't doing so well. They renamed themselves BlackBerry Corporation and they're going under.
I don't know a lot about that.
Well, they announced on Friday that they were laying off, I think, 45% of their workforce.
Oh.
That's always a bad sign.
Yeah.
That's thousands of people. On the radio, they replayed the interview that they did with the guy when he took over in February.
Okay.
Where he sounded so positive and upbeat.
Yeah.
Everything's going well!
No.
Yeah, that was February. This is September. You think he was wishful thinking? Yeah, this one's rusty. Old. I don't know why they make them so hard to take apart.
Probably a flathead or something.
You hit them hard enough, it'll come.
And they put silicone all the way outside too, right?
No, the silicone on the outside was to hold the trim on.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, you never put silicone on the outside of the tank to hold it together because it doesn't do any good.
Oh.
See, silicone isn't glue. It works more by making sure there's no air in there than any other way.
The black and clear, is it like does the performance matter at all? Between the colors?
Exactly the same.
Huh?
They're exactly the same.
Exactly the same?
Same, except the color.
Oh, okay.
What, you're not racist, are you?
No.
I got one customer's convinced Chinese is best.
Hmm.
Is your son Chinese? This was when he was a toddler. I'd say, well, he doesn't speak English, so maybe. Oh, good. Chinese, very good.
That's why we're fixing this tank right now, right? Manufacturer is from China.
Probably.
No, it is. It is. It's not probably, it is. I'm telling you because I know.
That's not making the Chinese look good, though. Thankfully. Did you see how wide that bead is there? That's how much distance between the back panel and the glass. That's a 1/4 inch. And they still didn't brace it better? That's a long way. See, our bead will be stronger than that.
Okay.
Because that can stretch.
Mm-hmm.
You know, because it's silicone, that thickness got a lot of give to it.
Oh boy.
You getting scared?
No. Hungry.
Eat some pizza.
I'm waiting on the crap.
Explain to the people why that remark is funny in my head.
My dad works at the pizza store and I'm so tired of it.
My son would probably say, Dad, I don't think I could ever get tired of pizza.
If you're heading home right after, take the rest.
Heck, if I phoned him up, he might drive over. Free food!
He's at work right now.
Yeah?
Yeah. Amma, what time Appa finish work? What time Appa finish work? Oh, so he's bringing pizza. Yeah. He finishes at 4 at night.
Yeah?
So, you know, because they're open late, right?
Yeah.
All the cancelled orders. Like
Well-
wings will come in. All that meatball sandwiches, everything. Deposit?
Yeah, pause.